good deeds every day. Help us walk on Allah's way, doing right in all we do. Allah smiles at me and you, step by step and day by day. Good deeds show the brightest way.
When I see someone I know, smile and let my kindness show. Say Salaam in gentle tone, spreading peace in every home. Good deeds every day. Chase the hurt and fear away. When we smile and give Salaam, Allah fills our lives with calm. Step by step and day by day, good deeds show the brightest way.
If a friend has lost their place, I can help with gentle face. Share my toys and share my snack.
Allah loves when we give back. Good deeds every day. Take our greed and wash away. When we share and when we care, Allah puts more care in there. Step by step and day by day, good deeds show the brightest way. When I make a small mistake, tell the truth for Allah's sake. Sorry is a golden key, fixing hearts so easily. Good deeds every day. Keep our hearts upon His way. When we're honest, when we mend, Allah is our closest friend. Step by step and day by day, good deeds show the brightest way.
I keep clean my little space, tidy room, each toy in place. Then I whisper when I pray,
Ya Allah, guide me every day.
good deeds
every day.
bring His mercy when we pray. Clean and pure in what we do, Rahmah falls on me and you. Step by step and day by day, good deeds show the brightest way.
When I start a thing that's new, think of Allah in all I do. Work or play or when I eat,
Bismillah makes it feel complete.
good deeds every day.
Bismillah helps us on our way. Start with Him in work and play. He will help us every day. Step by step and day by day, good deeds show the brightest way.